such as right now in France generates about 75% of its total electricity um, through nuclear energy, and that's almost 416 billion kilowatts of electricity generated per year. And because of this, you're able to import about 70 billion kilowatts of energy, and that generates about $3 billion used in different infrastructures. Um, Next, these power plants that France have are not only safer than the original power plants, but they're able to withstand earthquakes, unlike the ones in Japan, which are older generation power plants. Next, some of the medicinal uses of nuclear energy in of recent times have been machines that are used to PET scans, which work by injecting a radioisotope into the body, and what this does is it lets the doctors see, like for example, bone scans. They let you see if you have cancer, and this is more effective than X-rays because you can find out if you have cancer 18 months earlier. And kidney scans are more sensitive, so you can spot different areas more specifically. And these machines in general are more effective than X-ray machines and are proven to have less long-term damage and lower risk level. This image shows thorium, which is an alternative to nuclear energy, and basically what it is an isotope, and it's placed in a reactor, and like neutrons are applied to it, and so what it is, from its state of CH232, it changes to TH233, and so because of decay, it changes to U233, and this has been proven to be temporary, but with constant renewal, it's proven that this process generates like about 100 of waste compared to the effects of nuclear energy.
So nuclear energy is very, very bad. So radioactive quackery killed a ton of people back in like the early 20th century. It was an improper way to cure illnesses, and it thought it would heal like cells and tissues, but it didn't. It caused many diseases and like cancer. Radiation poisoning is very, very deadly to people, which nuclear weapons cause, as well as quackery. So radiation poisoning causes cancer, mild burns, seizures, damaged tissues, organs, and DNA damage, which causes the body to malfunction. A powerful nuclear blast causes the body to become carbon. So it's not good. And nuclear technology misuse is also very bad because an atomic blast from a nuclear bomb is very deadly and kills a lot of people, depending on how big it is. So if it gets in the wrong hands, like a terrorist group or any bad group of people, it could be lethal and cause even like global disaster. Nuclear meltdowns in like plants from nuclear reactors also can kill a lot of people and cause damage. So there's a lot of nuclear meltdowns and disasters, and they are caused by the nuclear reactor overheating. So core damage also happens, and this occurs when a nuclear reactor overheats due to cooling system's failure and a point where a nuclear element exceeds its melting point. So explosion, fires, and radioactivity will spread, and we've already gone over it. That is very, very bad for people. So, the bombs that were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki killed a lot of people. which just shows how bad, nuclear weapons are, on top of all the stuff that we've already gone over. So they killed like tens of thousands of people. So you decide, are nuclear weapons good or are they bad?